dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are joining me for the first time, then thanks so much for joining. My name is called 𝘱𝘩𝘪𝘴 and I really hope you guys enjoy my content, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning and thank you so much for your support. Today's video, guys, as you can read on the title, I'm going to be sharing with you my current top 3 fragrances that I'm absolutely enjoying and that I'm currently loving spraying on my body. I just wanted to share with you guys what I love in terms of scent wise, in case you guys might want to try out, you know, a new fragrance or yeah, something like that. Then yeah, definitely do carry on watching. I will link the fragrances in the description box below, so do make sure you check them out, and let's get right into the video. So guys, the first fragrance that I have that I'm currently using and absolutely love is the Zara Red Temptation. This is one that has literally been so hard to get my hands on it, because every time I go to Zara, or every time I was going to Zara, it was just sold out. It was sold out on the internet as well, but I finally was able to get my hands on it, and guys, it smells absolutely divine. I'm not somebody that tends to be drawn to a lot of like deep woody sort of noted fragrances or spicy fragrances. I'm more on like the floral, but not too floral, but just sort of in the center. That's what I tend to like. Those are the kind of scents that I tend to be drawn to, but this is totally different to what I love. But I absolutely have been enjoying spraying it on, especially around this time of the year. I feel like it's the best scent for winter. So I'm just going to read the sort of description of how it's been described, because I am not a fragrance person or fanatic, so I do not want to be saying the wrong thing. So I'm just going to read a little bit of info on the fragrance in case you might be wondering what it smells like. So it says that it's Eau de Parfum. It's a parfum, and it's disguised as the warm and textured facets of beautiful saffron and coriander spices. It also describes it as having bitter orange lens, a fruity and colorful touch to the luminous floral bouquet. The luminosity of jasmine reveals all the sensuality and feminine of the white flowers, enhanced by praline, modern and ultra addictive accord. The flowers are highlighted by the flower of moss and woody amber notes, enveloped in a cloud of musk, leaving a trail of complete femininity. So that is how it is described on the Zara website. I absolutely love this fragrance. It is woody, it is musky, but not too strong, because I don't like strong scents. I just like them to be lightly musky. But this is perfect, especially with the spices. I feel like it just warms up your skin, and also just warms up your fragrance of how you smell and the scent. It's just amazing. It's an amazing scent to try. They also have other fragrances on Zara that I love. I love the Golden Decade, which is another one that I wore a lot last year around winter, but this year I am loving the Red Temptation, and I can see why everyone has literally bought this fragrance out, because it is just perfect for the winter months. It is perfect for someone that is more into musky scents, but doesn't want to be smelling too deep in terms of the muskiness, if that makes sense. But I love it, and it comes as an 80 ml size, which is perfect. You only need a little bit, a little lasts a long way. And I've also recently, well, not recently, but I've learned in the past few years that Parfum is way better in investing than the toilette, because the toilette you spray it and it just runs out, whereas the parfum, it lasts longer. So a little literally lasts a long way. I pair it up with the 𝘥𝘪𝘳𝘪𝘥, which I'll show you guys in a minute, and I like to layer the scents together because I feel like I just smell even more nicer, because the 𝘥𝘪𝘳𝘪 has a bit more of sort of like a floral touch to it, whereas this has a woody touch to it. So when you pair it up together, it just smells amazing. So yeah, do check it out. I will list it in the description box below. It is £19.99, so definitely worth buying for 80 mils, because I just don't like sometimes having to spend a fortune on fragrances. So I love that Zara just have like fragrances that are under £20, but you can smell good. So yeah, do check it out. I also wanted to mention that the Red Temptation is a dupe of the Baccarat Rouge, and this is what the Baccarat Rouge looks like, in case you guys have seen it in stores. But apparently it is a dupe of this perfume, and this perfume costs £235. So I definitely think if you want something that is less cheaper, not gonna break your bank, but still smells exactly like this, you're better off getting that perfume. And plus the Zara one is 80 mils, whereas this one, from what I can see, they have 35 mils, 70 mils and 200 mils, and I think that 80 mils honestly lasts a long time. So yeah, do check it out. I will also link this Baccarat Rouge as well, in case others might want to do a comparison, but I've heard from others that it is a dupe of that perfume, so do check it out. So guys, the next perfume that I have been currently enjoying and been loving the scent is the 𝘥𝑪𝑎 Libre Parfum, and it is Intense. I absolutely love this perfume. I saw a commercial of on YouTube of the lady singing Freedom, and I wanted to try the perfume because I'd seen it advertised so many times, and I've also seen others like really raving about it on TikTok and YouTube, so I thought may as well try it out. For my Christmas present, I got Selfridges sort of gift card, so I just thought I'm going to purchase that gift card and use it on this 𝘥𝑪𝑎 perfume. So yeah, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the scent. So it says the new Parfum Intense brings a fierce sensuality to the Libre floral signature. And then it says the structure of the original Libre composition celebrates the signature tension present in all 𝘥𝑪𝑎 fragrances. Tension between aromatic lavender from France and sensual orange blossom absolute from Morocco. It says the Intense Parfum is emboldened by a melting floral heart where a flamboyant orchid accord blazes with sensuality. The fragrance reveals creamy and smoky facets before unveiling a woody ambery base which fuses smooth vanilla and velveter for depth and intensity. The top notes for the fragrance are tangerine, bergamot and lavender. The heart notes are jasmine, sambac and orange blossom and orchid accord. The base notes are tonka bean, vanilla, ambergris, and it says velveter, or I don't know guys, but that's what it says. But that's how it describes the scent. So I would say personally it is a cross between floral, woody, and if you are into floral and woody, it's not musky at all in my opinion. I would just describe it as floral and woody and earthy. It's got an earthy tone to it, but it's not too aggressive. I would highly suggest then to try this out. I also think that it is perfect for the winter, hence why I said I like to layer it with the Red Temptation from Zara. Yeah guys, so that one is more lighter in terms of its scent, but so guys, this is currently available at John Lewis and Selfridges as well, so do check it out. It is 30 mils that I currently have, and it's for £62. And honestly, once again, like I've mentioned, it's a long-lasting scent. I've actually got it on today myself, and I can just smell myself everywhere I walk in my house. I can just smell the intensity on this. I tend to like sort of the intense perfumes because they just seem to be much more stronger, but that's just my opinion. But I just love them because you don't need to spray quite a lot. It is like a little goes a long way in terms of how it smells, and it smells absolutely lovely. And what I've actually learned more about myself is that I'm actually more drawn to scents that more so have a floral note to them, which is not even on purpose, but most of the scents that I've picked out and that I'm showing you guys today have all got something in common, which is that they're all floral. They've got a floral base to them, which I absolutely love. So if your partner likes floral notes but doesn't want to smell too fruity, then you can definitely try and see some of these perfumes that I've showed you guys today, because Valentine's Day is coming up, so maybe that can give you an idea on getting your partner something for Valentine's Day. But yeah, I love this one as well as the Red Temptation. Last but not least guys, this is one of my absolutely favorite perfumes of all time. It is My Burberry from Burberry, and it smells so divine guys. It is also a combination of like, you know, deep sort of musky but floral notes. It is just perfect. The first time I smelled this, I just didn't want to like stop putting this perfume on. It's a favorite luxury perfume that I have ever got my hands on. So yeah guys, I'm going to read a bit of details on the fragrance just in case you are interested. So it says that it's been inspired by the trench coat, which is why it has the little bow tie tied around it, and its heritage of British design and craftsmanship. My Burberry captures the fragrance of a London garden after the rain. The scent is a contemporary British grand floral. The top notes of this fragrance is sweet pea and bergamot fuse with a geranium leaf, golden quince and freesia heart, rounded out with the base of patchouli and rain-tipped damask and center floria roses, if I'm saying that correctly. The bottle reflects iconic details of the trench coat. A bold horn finish cap echoes its distinctive buttons, and the hand-tied bow is a English woven gabardine, if I'm saying that correctly, honoring the fabric invented by Thomas Burberry over 100 years ago. It has a sweet, long-lasting scent and perfect to wear on a rainy day. Definitely love it. It's just one of my ultimate favorite perfumes. If you are someone that likes a sweet perfume but not too floral in the sense of being too fruity, but just still having a little bit of a sort of like a woody note, this is perfect, and this is amazing to wear around the autumn months, and also all round, to be honest, all round the year. I just love it. It's one of my perfumes that I just love grabbing and going to, especially when I just don't, maybe sometimes I'm not into trying anything else. It just never lets me down. I will link it in the description box below. It is available in John Lewis and Selfridges, and it's £100 and 10, which is, I know, a little bit pricey for fragrances, but if you do want that luxury fragrance that's never going to let you down, this is that girl. And I truly believe in this perfume, honestly, and it's just been an amazing fragrance for me to have. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my recommendations on my current favorite fragrances, and I will list all of the fragrances that I've mentioned today in the description box below, because I know loads of people always ask where I've listed the products, but they're always listed in the description box below, and if I haven't, then do hold me to account and let me know to link them. But I really hope you guys enjoyed my current fragrances that I love, and I really hope you have found a little bit of insight as well on these fragrances also. And do let me know if you want me to review any fragrances. It's something that I've never touched into because I don't have a lot of knowledge on fragrances, but I just tend to love what I am drawn to, so hence why I shared it. This is just my experience. I don't know a lot about fragrances, but I just know when something smells perfect and amazing for me. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to comment, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye dolls.